Hey guys, it's Chris here with selfmadenewbie.com. Welcome to this MaxConvert review. Now for those of you who have got landing pages or pages, offer pages, or any kind of page where you're trying to get a lead or get people to buy into something or get people on your email list, and if you're not finding a lot of success there, this tool is definitely going to be for you. In a nutshell, it combines a lot of tools that you would usually have to pay for separately that really do help conversions. Things such as splash screens, pop-ups, countdown timers, different kinds of buttons, also some really high converting templates, just everything in this product really to create landing pages that really convert with all those elements that have been proven to work, proven to create scarcity and things like that. So today we're going to take a deep dive into MaxConvert so you can see exactly what to expect, and as well as that I've also hooked you up some really great bonuses that are going to go hand in hand with MaxConvert so you get the absolute most out of it. Now my bonuses are top of the line. If you go and look at other people's bonuses and they're offering like 10, 20, 25, 50 bonuses, it's because those bonuses are cheap, they're worthless. Check out mine. I get a couple for you, a couple that are really in line with the product I'm reviewing. So before we get into it, drop a like on this video, hit subscribe, and turn on the bell notification if you want to be updated with new products coming out that are going to help you make money online. Also, stick around to the end of this video because I've gotten you some discount codes that are going to be available throughout the week while MaxConvert is launching. Also, if at any time you want to jump ahead by any chance, make sure you go through that link in the description, because what that will do is take you through to my bonus page, which looks like this. My email at the top if you have any problems. And the way my bonus page works is it is integrated with the MaxConvert official vendor sales page. So what that means is if you click on any of these green buttons, what that will do is launch you off to the vendor sales page where you can buy MaxConvert. And if you do buy MaxConvert through that way, you will not only get MaxConvert, but you will get all of these bonuses added into a bundle with it that you can access immediately. First bonus I've gotten for you is a two-part bonus, and I put this in there in case you're a beginner, although it would apply for anybody really. Find Your Niche is a great program that allows you to choose something that is in line with your strength, okay? It's step number one with anything you do online is finding, first of all, you find out an audience, whether it exists, but then you need to position yourself, find a niche market. They're all profitable, so don't chase the money with something you're not really interested in. This helps you get to the root of your strengths and really helps you to make that initial step a strong one. The next bonus I've gotten for you there is affiliate marketing success. So with any online business, if you're not pitching your own product, you got to get into affiliate marketing. It's more you're gonna make more money than really anything else, especially e-com and just anything related to a physical product or service. So I threw that in there because that's always going to be valuable information, learning about affiliate marketing and what's going on in that space. Bonus number two I've gotten for you is Evergreen Leads. Now this is a huge program that I've gone through myself, and it goes into everything with regards to step 1 to step 100 or whatever with starting an online business on the right track. The golden nugget in here though is it goes into lead generation, which is often most people's problems. How do I get people to see my content, to go to my offers? How do I get them? Where are they? Okay, this goes into all that, SEO, even Google and Facebook ads. It goes really deep on really how to get leads. Bonus number 3 is called ClickBank Marketing Secrets. Now again, I wanted to go deeper on affiliate marketing because I know a lot of you are going to be using MaxConvert to drive audiences even to your own product, but also to affiliate products. And this goes into how to use ClickBank effectively and how to make money on ClickBank. But there's also crossover into other platforms like Warrior Plus, JVZoo. Generally the same principles apply, and this is just a great product for anyone looking to make money through affiliate marketing, and also going a bit deeper than that initial first bonus that I'm giving you. Bonus number 4 is $1 Million Copy. So one thing MaxConvert is not giving you, even though it has the high converting pages, it's great to understand what copy to put on those pages, okay? You can't just go into it blindly and think that the words that you write are gonna trigger a response. You need to learn about the cognitive biases of people, how people get triggered, how people are compelled emotionally to buy, to sign up, whatever. $1 Million Copy, one of the best products out there for learning how to write copy, write good eye-catching titles, use words in a way that really makes sales. Bonus number 5 is the vendor has hooked me up with full access to their vault, I guess you could say, and they've just given me a ton of bonus to give to you. So if you pause your screen here, we've got quite a bunch, and you're getting all these. So a lot about sales, landing pages. I recognize there's also a few plugins there for WordPress that they're giving you for free that I know you usually would have to pay monthly for. So a lot of great bonuses in there too. So if that all sounds good to you, it's step 1. Click the link in the description. You go to the bonus page, click these green buttons. That'll send you off to the vendor sales page, which looks like this. Now I would recommend going through this page in your own free time, seeing if it's right for you. And if you do decide to purchase, you'll be sent a digital receipt. It looks like this. And as I said, under the green button will be MaxConvert. Under the blue button, all those bonuses. Okay, my email's there if you have any problems. Also keep your eye on this countdown timer because this is a launch week special. So when it hits 0, the bonuses will be gone. Any exclusive pricing that is activated through my links will be gone. And those discounts that I'm going to show you at the end of this video may also be gone. If there is still time on the countdown, it means that the bonuses at least are definitely still there, but you can email me again if you have any problems. So without further ado, let's get into MaxConvert and see what you can expect.
In just 4 simple steps, turn any website, blog, or landing page into a personalized engagement, leads, and sales magnet. Step 1. Choose a proven converting and DFY template. You get hundreds of ready-to-use notification templates to choose from according to your goals. They're beautiful and built only to get you more conversions and sales. Step 2. Edit your template with a drag and drop what you see is what you get editor. It gives you complete freedom to create a campaign for any goal. You can add or edit anything: text, video, images, countdown timers, and more. It's easy and fast. Step 3. Make it personalized. Get more conversions. This advanced AI-based targeting first helps you understand user behavior, and then it shows your best offers to the targeted audience. You can show your message according to geolocation, time spent on site, cart abandonment, any URL visit, and much more. Step 4. Copy, paste, and profit. Now, copy the one line of code and paste it on your websites, pages, blogs, or funnels and see leads and sales flowing in like a pro. You'll get hundreds of DFY templates with a fully drag and drop, ultra fast and easy, what you see is what you get pop-up editor to create campaigns for any goal or any niche with just a few clicks. We have designed it to be completely newbie friendly to accomplish tasks at a pro level. Easily and effortlessly add images, your logo, any video, call to action buttons, headline text, social media icons, forms, countdown timers, offers and discount coupons, engaging shapes, fonts, customizable colors, links, elements, and much more. Get precise analytics to know your numbers and find out what's performing well and what simply is not working. And what makes it even more powerful, MaxConvert works easily with all website and landing page building platforms such as Shopify, WordPress, Wix, ClickFunnels, Magento, Leadpages, Unbounce, WooCommerce, and almost any website that's built with plain HTML. No installation, no coding or designing, and no other techie stuff required. In just 4 easy steps, turn your website and pages into personalized leads and sales magnets.
All right, I hope you're excited to get your hands on MaxConvert and see just the power and what it can do for your landing pages. I'll say it again. Usually each one of those plugins you do have to pay for monthly, generally as a singular entity. So the fact that you can get a package now where they're all thrown in is just incredible. So if you go through the link again to my bonus page, I've got a little bit about what you can expect when you're buying MaxConvert. So the front end, basically everything you just saw there is $49.95 and $69.95 for the commercial option. You get extra features with MaxConvert Pro and MaxConvert Pro Commercial. So each one-time offer has the commercial and personal use. Enterprise, $77 and $97. One-time offer number 3 is MaxConvert Agency, 200 clients. You can do work for using the functionality of MaxConvert. That's what that means. And then you've got .com Pal membership And this allows you to get special deals and special products if you sign up to them monthly. The .com pal are actually the team behind MaxConvert, and they're always releasing products and specials. If you are a member, you can get hold of a lot of stuff that's coming out every month. You don't need to worry about these one-time prices. Is it worth it? That's all up to you. I will say one thing though, you do only need the front end to get access to all the bonuses I just mentioned. Okay, so don't feel like you need all these. It's just really up to you. So if you think about it, a hell of a lot on offer here, especially when you take into consideration you get hundreds, thousands of dollars worth of products for only $49.95. Just incredible. Full money back guarantee. And yeah, if you have any problems, hit me up in the email. If not, enjoy MaxConvert. Hope you love the bonuses, and I'll catch you on the next video. Take care.